Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 18th of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi used to keep herself tied with a bracelet of godly decorum, and all the soul who became Brahmins deities while meditating on them should not feel special union blame. Therefore, the first teaching that Didi gives the same with which organs to take care of herself. Never let the vow of purity be broken, and always be with celibate. Let's start godly virgins. Sweet children, you are the doubly non-violent spiritual army. You have to establish your divine kingdom by following Srimad. Question: what should your spiritual servers caution everyone about? Answer: caution everyone. This is the time of that same Mahabharat war. This old world is now going to be destroyed. The Father is inspiring the new one to be established. After destruction, there will be crisis of victory. You should all get together and discuss how to give everyone the Father's introduction before destruction takes place. Essence for Dharana. First point, the Father has come to teach you this study which makes you into the masters of the world. Therefore, never say that you don't have a time. Follow Srimad and serve Bharat with your body-minded wealth to make it into heaven. Second point, listen to and speak about very sweet things of knowledge among yourselves. Always remember the Father's direction. Hear no evil, speak no evil. Blessing. May you be an all-rounder who remains alert and ever ready by renouncing even any subtle laziness about making effort. Getting tired in your efforts is a sign of laziness. Lazy ones get tired quickly, whereas those who have enthusiasm are tireless. Those who become disheartened about their efforts have laziness and think, "What can I do? I can only do this much. I am not able to do any more. I don't have any courage. I am moving along. I am doing anything." Now do not let any name or trace of this subtle laziness remain. To do this, you have to be constantly alert, ever ready, and an all-rounder. Slogan: keeping the importance of time in front of you, accumulate fully attainments in your account. Om Shanti.